Now we can see the seventh sum in exercise 5.4. Prove that the point of intersection of the tangents at t1 and t2 on the parabola y square equal to 4ax is a t1 t2 comma a into t1 plus t2. So here we have a parabola. The equation is y square equal to 4ax. And we are drawing the tangents at 2 points. You take the points as t1 and t2. At this point, we are drawing the tangent. Okay, both the tangents are intersecting at a point, and this point of contact you want to find out, and you want to prove it is this value. Okay, so equation of tangent at t1 to the parabola y square equal to 4ax is this one. This is the equation of tangent. In general, when we take it will be like this: yt equal to x plus at square. Here instead of t we are taking this point t1. Okay, then we can take the next point, that is t2. So equation of tangent at t2 is y t2 equal to x plus a t2 square. Instead of t1 you have to write t2. We want to find the point of intersection, isn't it? Point of intersection means what? You want to solve both the equations. So solving equation 1 and 2. Solving equation 1 and 2. So how you can solve it? You see here, x and y value you want to find out. If you subtract both x values, you can cancel, and y value you can find out, isn't it? So equation 1 minus equation 2 implies. So y t1 minus y t2. Y t1 minus y t2 equal to, here x values you can cancel, a t1 square minus a t2 square. So here you can take y outside, y into t1 minus t2 is equal to, here you can take a outside, it is t1 square minus t2 square. And this right hand side a into a square minus b square form, you can write it as t1 minus t2 into t1 plus t2. Left hand side we have y into t1 minus t2. So you can cancel t1 minus t2 on both the side. So if you cancel it, you'll get y is equal to a into t1 plus t2. So we got the value of y, isn't it? Now you can find the value of x. You can replace it in equation 1. So equation 1 implies, before replacing, I am taking this term to the next side, that is x is equal to, x only we need, isn't it? X is equal to y t1 minus a t1 square. Now you can replace the value of y. So a into t1 plus t2, this is the value of y into t1 minus a t1 square. So what term you can take outside? A t1 you can take outside, isn't it? So if you take a t1 outside, you'll get t1 plus t2 minus t1. So t1 you can cancel. It is equal to a t1 t2. This is the value of x. Okay. Therefore, the point of intersection is a t1 t2 comma, then y value is a into t1 plus t2. Now you can see the next sum in the same exercise, the 8th sum. Okay, so exercise 5.4, 8th question. If the normal at the point t1 on the parabola y square equal to 4ax meets the parabola again at the point t2, then prove that t1 is equal to minus of t1 plus 2 by t1. So you take a parabola here, and I am drawing a tangent at t1. And at this point we can draw the normal also, isn't it? The normal I am drawing here, and the normal intersects the parabola at another one point, and that is given as t2. You want to prove this condition, t2 equal to this one. So equation of normal at t1 on the parabola y square equal to 4ax is y plus x t1 equal to 2a t1 plus a t1 cube. Okay, equation of normal formula is this one in general, y plus xt equal to 2at plus at cube. Then since we are taking the point as t1, instead of t I am writing t1. And now you see this normal, this is the equation of normal, and this normal passes through the point t2, isn't it? Any point on the parabola can be denoted as t. And that point, the coordinates of that point will be like this, at square comma 2at. Okay, any point on the parabola can be denoted as this t, and it is at square comma 2at. Here instead of t we are taking t2. So this point will become a t2 square comma 2a t2. Okay, so the point a t2 square comma 2a t2 lies on the normal, or it passes through the point, this normal, it passes through the point a t2 square comma 2a t2. So now you can replace this point in this equation. You can mark it as equation 1. So equation 1 implies y value is 2a t2. So 2a t2 plus x value is a t2 square into t1 equal to right hand side you write in the same way, plus t1 cube. Now I am taking this term 2a t1 to the next side and this term to the next side. So here 2a t2 minus 2a t1 is equal to, here what we have, a t1 cube minus a t2 square t1. Now you can take the common term outside. I am taking 2 outside here, and a also you can take, isn't it? So 2a I am taking outside, it is t2 minus t1 equal to, in the right hand side what you can take outside, a t1 you can take out. So you'll get t1 square minus t2 square. Both the side you can cancel a. So 2 into, and here what I am doing is I am taking minus sign outside. So minus if I take outside it will become t1 minus t2. t1 minus t2. It is equal to, here we have t1 outside, and it is of the form a square minus b square, isn't it? So a plus b into a minus b. Now you can cancel t1 minus t2. So minus 2 is equal to t1 into t1 plus t2. Now take this t1 to the next side. So minus 2 by t1 is equal to t1 plus t2. We need the t2 in the left hand side. So keep this t2 here and take this value to the next side. Minus 2 by t1 minus t1 equal to t2. From this you can write what is t2. t2 equal to, from these two terms I am taking a minus sign outside. So it will become t1 plus 2 by t1. This only you want to prove. So hence prove.